Today is probably the day that Daniel is most excited about out of pretty much any day that we have been abroad.
Today we are actually doing the 4-hour scooter ride from Chiang Mai to Chiang Mai. From Chiang Mai to Pai, which is pretty much a scooter ride up the mountain where you go over how many hairpin turns?
762.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. So in case you're wondering what Annette's going to be doing while Daniel's driving, it's going to be a mixture of 3 things. The first one is going to be eyes closed. The second is going to be eyes closed. And the third is going to be listening to podcasts so that I don't hear Daniel get excited when there's turns coming.
Sounds about right.
Or I guess actually number 2 is not keep eyes closed. It's going to be like grip Daniel.
Death grip.
Like we're going to fall.
We're going to go ahead and finish grabbing all of our stuff, and then we're going to make our way to the scooter so we can start the ride.
I wish there was an airplane to Pai. I would take that much better. I don't like scooters.
You barely have enough space.